Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for the 2023/2024 house tour of Jacob Does Everything Me. This house tour is long awaited. I know, it's been a couple years, since 21 I think. It's very cold outside, so let's go ahead and go inside. You stupid cat. Hold on. About that, guys, but we're inside now. I had to chase my cat back inside. It's fine. So let's go ahead and give you guys a house tour of the house. I'm gonna let you know my room is a little messy, so please do not judge me. So right now I'm in the living room. I can't turn the camera around, which I think is kind of stupid, but we're in the living room. That's all you need to know. We have a nice TV, a nice dog, and black cat that ran outside. We have a nice Christmas tree as well. Nice chair, if I can get it in the angle, right there. Nice chair, nice couch, nice stands with some PlayStation gift cards and some Star Wars chests on the ground. The usual. And then we're going to walk into the kitchen now. I don't have any lights on because I literally woke up like maybe 2 hours ago, and I'm still barely awake, so there we are. We have some nice ceiling lights that are very bright. They'll blind you. Let's look at the table first. Look at the table. It's pretty good. It has a lot of records on it because I have a lot of records. I have a lot of criminal records, actually. We have this thing. This thing, by the way. You kids probably don't, you newer kids who are watching, who are probably like 9 or 10 years old, you're like, what's that? It's a record player. It plays records. I'm going to turn that off, though, before I get copyrighted. It's Queen. It's Queen, the album, the game. We have a very messy countertop at the moment. Yeah, it's very messy, actually. Here's the one side, like, that's right there, which is to my left. And then we have this side, which is very clean, which is the side I cleaned. Just kidding, it's not. These are actually Christmas goodies, Buckeyes. I don't know what's in here, I forgot. Oh, they're cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and bananas. Yeah, we would usually put our bananas up there, but, you know, we have tons of apples and cuties. I'm cute. Add me on Snapchat, JVD, everything. Or JVD Oaks, my bad. I'm going to give you a little bit of a bathroom tour. Because I said a house tour, and it literally means every single room of the house. For whatever reason, the black cat's in the bathroom right now, so, don't mind him. He's in the bathroom for no freaking reason. Here, look at him. See me, my iPad. Yeah, I use an iPad, guys. Thanks. You guys are supportive. I love you. Hopefully, when I start making money on YouTube, which won't be for a while, maybe I can get a little bit of money. And, I mean, I'm already saving up for, like, I only have, like, $145, I think. I've only spent, like, $19 on McDonald's in the past week. Or, not McDonald's. McDonald's and KFC in the past 2 days, which is really cheap, by the way. Well, for me it is, because I'm not used to anything. But, yeah, this is the cat room. It's slash laundry room, actually. It's very messy. Yeah, there's a lot of cat litter everywhere, and it's a laundry room. Thankfully, none of the clothes have ever had cat litter on them from the laundry, from the cats. Usually it smells like a bunch of, like, it smells like a cat usually blew up in there. It does not today. Let's go outside for the final-ish part of this house tour. I will not be going into my parents' bedroom today, so, you know. Yeah, it's kind of weird. We have a recycling thingy. There's our TV box. I'll be showing you out here into the sunroom just for a quick moment to give you a look. Yeah, there's your look. All right. So now we're heading inside the house. Inside the house into my room and the office room. And that's it for the house tour after that. So make sure to like and subscribe, like I said before. This office is very messy indeed. Well, not for me. The blankets on the ground, like right there, are my sister's. So shh, she was here. You can see my laptop. Yeah, it's just a simple Microsoft or HP Microsoft laptop. It still gets the job done, boys. It still gets the job done. There's a space heater down here that's always on during the winter time. A chair that is backwards because I did not feel like turning it around the other way. And futon, which I have not yet to sleep on in this room, and I probably won't. Just kidding. I will. Why would I want to sleep on this thing? It's actually pretty comfortable. It's actually more comfortable than my bed, actually, not gonna lie. My room is not the messiest room in the house, but it's also the most unneat room in the house, if that makes any sense to you guys. So, the old TV, because they bought a new TV because there's something wrong with it, but I don't really care. It was just black at the bottom of the screen. It's really nothing to worry about. We have a PlayStation down here. It's on the floor. I actually figured it'd be easier to manage the wires and stuff from being on the floor, so it's on the floor, so shut up. We have the current Vizio TV. It's very dirty. I don't know why, actually. And then, yeah, bed that's unmade because I don't make my bed that often. Fan, which I actually move this fan around like all the freaking time, so, you know. If you guys enjoyed the house tour, make sure to like and subscribe. It's a very long house tour. I made it in depth and everything, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And Bruce, do you have anything to say? Hey, Bruce! Do you have anything to say? They have the zoomies. Bye.